Hey guys, today I want to share with you special information on promotion with Telegram ads. Have you heard about Telegram? Social network with enormous amount of users inside. So if you know this, great, we will see it further. If you haven't heard about this social network, see it on Google, and I recommend you to have an account there because it's one of the, I think, the best way to communicate with other people because it's extremely comfortable, convenient messenger, and moreover it also has lots of opportunities for authors, bloggers, and so on. So you can create your own community called channel, and now there are lots of different channels on different themes, different topics, and I think you can find people who share the same interests. On the other hand, we as digital marketers, we are interested in the social network as there are lots of users inside and lots of different channels, so you can find lots of different target audience for different types of businesses. And to start with, I would show you this one. You need to find Telegram ads here. This is ad account for Telegram, and to start with, you need to activate your ad account here, and to start with you need to have 1,500 euros as ad budget. Maybe sounds strange because lots of other ad accounts like Google or Facebook or Twitter already, they don't have these rules. Yeah, you don't have this deposit on your account budget, but here we have these rules. And moreover, you need to know that we also need to pay commission for our ad account. So for example, if your business is connected with education topic, yeah, we can say that your business is about education, any education. You will have to pay 25% of commission plus to minimum budget of 1,500 euros. On one hand, we can say, oh, what? What the hell? But on the other hand, we also can say that we have our targeted audience who are subscribed to channels, and we can find them there, and we also can promote our business among them. Why not? The second step, right after having our ad account there, you also need to fill in gaps, special information about your business, topic, and so on. So it's easy. The next step is to create ads. So let's create one new ad, and now we can see first a variant of creating our ads. Here, target channels, and we can choose. We also can choose target users when you work with the whole amount of users, but we'll see it a little bit further. But now, target channels. So first, you need to create a title just for your information here. Add text. This short text up to 160 symbols. Yeah, it's too short maybe, but in fact, shortness sometimes is more useful than having opportunity to write long texts. So here we should be short, but we also need to follow some rules of this social network, such rules as you can't be aggressive. For example, you can't say something like, buy this, because you never find anything like that. You can't be familiar with your audience. You should be very polite. First of all, you need to check these rules, you need to follow these rules also, and like sometimes the social network, moderation, they can say something like, oh, we can't promote this ad because you are not polite and you need to change your text or change something like that. So the next point is URL. You can promote your websites, or you can also promote your channels. And the main difference between them is that when you promote your websites, you can analyze your ads with the help of Google Analytics, for example. And if you promote your channels, you can see statistics in ad account. So I think it's quite more comfortable. And the next point is CPM in euro. You need to state this sum of money. So from 2 euros and infinite. I would recommend to start with 3 €3 here, it means that we are ready to pay Telegram €3 for 1,000 impressions of our target audience or of people who are subscribed to channels we choose. The next point, daily views limit per user, I would say also 1 user. Or sometimes if you have special offer, if you want to catch up with your future potential customers, you can also have this 4 views per user. Why not? But I would start with 1 user. The next, initial budget means that you are ready to pay for this ad, for promoting this ad. Like for example, €10. It means that this ad is going to be promoted till the end of this initial budget. So it doesn't mean that it's daily budget or not. With the end of this budget, the promotion of this exact ad will be stopped. Other information, you can use it like optional. You don't need to fill in this gap. The next, target channel languages. It means that you can choose one of this language and then you can show your ads among these users who speaks this language. So let's have English. Target topics. You can also choose your target topics, means channels which can be connected with the same topic. And for example, books. You will show your ad among channels about books, or business and entrepreneurship. Yeah, the same thing. Let's have it. We also can exclude some topics or not, or just let it be. And this is one type of setting these ads. And you can create your own ads. Then, I have read and agree with the Telegram ad platform terms, and then create ad. Then it's going to be moderation and so on. So you need to understand that we also have these gaps and what they are about. They are about specific channels. You can choose, you can have, for example, channels of your competitors and these competitive channels. And you want to show your ad among your competitors or among special channels. And you understand that these channels, they contains lots of our targeted audience. So it means that you can have this special list and then you can add these channels here. But if you choose this type of promotion, you need to delete this and this. Because if you set up English, for example, language, here, any language, and then you add specific channels here, it means that you will be shown among the specific channels and also among English language channels. So we don't need to cover all of these English channels, So we need to cover specific channels here. And we also the same thing with excluding specific channels. Why not? So for example, this is my channel. Let's have it. And here is the thing that the system suggests me to exclude this channel. So for example, for me, I don't want to show ads to my subscribers because they are already my subscribers, for example. But you can also delete this thing. Why not, if you don't want? And the third type of settings, these ads on Telegram ads with the help of target users, this special. Think almost the same, talking about ad title or ad text, the same. But here we have also target countries. We can choose it, not all countries, but in fact, it doesn't mean that Telegram ads won't add new countries here. Then we also can use target locations by country. Again, optionals if we have this information. We also can target user languages. It means that we are going to work with users who have the interface of special language. For example, I'm English and I have English interface of the app of Telegram, for example. Moreover, I read channels in English, and it means that I am an English user. And we also can have target topics, but it's not about channels, it's about users who are subscribed to channels from special topics, and you also can exclude them. Also, if you need, you can tick these things, and you won't be shown in channels related to politics and incidents. The same thing, have read and agree and create ad, then moderation. And I don't think that moderation needs a lot of time. I think 1 hour is maximum. And then you will understand that, okay, my ad is active. This is active status. It means that it's okay. Stopped means that our budget is exhausted here. So we spent 50 euros and that's all. We got 52 clicks. If you have any problems with your ads, you will see decline status. It will be in red, so you will pay attention to it. You will see. And the last thing I need to add is that each ad is separate thing. Like, you don't have ad campaigns, you don't have ad groups, you have separate ads. That's all. I remember my first launch here on Telegram ads, and I thought that no, I don't like this system, but in fact, why not? I get used to it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please thumb your nail up and subscribe.